This is how you can make some money from your bedroom going into 2026. And the best part is, you don't need a big social media following, and all you need to get started is an iPhone. So stick around to find out what it is. So what I'm talking about is something called UGC. It stands for User Generated Content. And essentially what it is, it's being a content creator slash influencer without being an influencer. So what will happen is, a brand will reach out to you, or you'll reach out to the brand and say, hey, Mr. Brandman, I want to make a video on your products that you've released or you're going to release. Pay me X amount of money to make this video for you, and then I'll send it back to you. Then you can use it on your social medias to run adverts with it, a media campaign, whatever. And then the brand man will say, oh my god, yes, I like the sound of that. Here's X amount of dollars, pounds, whatever you charge them to make this video. And boom, you've got them paid. And the best part is, these are very easy videos to make. You can make them on your phone. You don't make them on anything else. You just make it on your phone. That's the whole point of UGC. It looks like a monkey can make these videos because it's on your phone. There's no big high tech on a camera like this, nothing flashy. So in order to get started, what you need to do, you need to make a portfolio. So the first thing that you need to do is, what do you want to be known for? What do you want to get hired for? So for me, what I do is, as UGC creator, I make videos on travel, tech, and lifestyle. So the first step is understanding what niches do you want to get into. Maybe you want to get into gaming, you want to make gaming related adverts, videos. Or maybe you want to get into travel like me, because you want to travel a lot. So first step is understand what niche you want to get into. Second part is building your portfolio, because you can't get hired without a portfolio. This is a visual based gig, side hustle, whatever you want to call it. So go around your house and find 3 to 5 items that's related to your niche. So let's say I want to get into gaming. Well, I'm gonna go find something that's related to gaming. So if, for instance, I might go get my gaming computer here with my friend Timothy on it and do a UGC video on that. If you want to know what a UGC video actually looks like, I'll link it up, I don't know if it's mirror effect or not. A video will be up here somewhere, so you can go have a look what a UGC video actually looks like. So once you've done that, you've got 3 to 5 items that you want to be hired for. What you need to do is make UGC videos on that. Go have a look at what it's about, and then actually film those 3 to 5 videos and save them on your your camera roll, your hard drive, whatever. And then the next step is actually hosting your portfolio. And the best part about this entire process is free as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Wix, or we're going to go to Canva, depending on what kind of style of site you want. I recommend doing it on Wix because I built my website on Wix. You get a lot of stuff in the free plan. But if you're not really tech savvy, you don't really understand Wix too much, go to Canva. I know a lot of UGC creators do use Canva, but for the example, I'm going to use Wix. So go into Wix.com and choose a video like filmmaker or photographer based portfolio template, and replace all the branding with your branding. Replace the image holders with pictures of your UGC videos where it makes sense. Just make the template yours, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click publish. And then you're going to take that link and start emailing brands that we want to get hired for. So what you're going to do now, you're going to make your social medias, because social medias are just as important, if not more important, than your website. This is how you're going to get clients coming to you rather than you going to clients. So what you're going to do, you're going to make these 3 accounts on the 3 different platforms, and those platforms are Instagram, Twitter, or X as they're calling it nowadays, and TikTok. These are the 3 main platforms that UGC brands, developers, whatever you want to call them, clients, what they use to find UGC creators, and start posting your work on there. The 3 to 5 videos that you made, post them on there and leave them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get ChatGPT to compile a list of brands that are in our niches. So what we're going to do, I'll leave a prompt down below. You're going to copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT, and it's going to compile a list of brands and companies that are within your niche, and it's going to give it to you, and it's going to put it into a Google Doc. And once you've gotten those brands, what you're going to do, you're going to install a Chrome extension. So go to Google Chrome and look for something called hunter.io. Add that as a Chrome extension, and then go back to the company website, and you're going to see a little extension in the top right hand corner, a little fox icon. You can click that, and then what that's going to do is going to bring up all the emails of the different people that work at that company. And what you're going to look for, the marketing manager, somebody related to marketing, or like a campaign manager. Those are the 2 main people that you want to be emailing, because you don't want to send an email to a generic like info at or sales at, because it's just going to get ignored. You need to be emailing the decision makers within this company. So Go find those people, like a marketing person or a marketing manager, a campaign manager. You can go click the link in the description. It'll take you to the email that you just copy and paste, and you replace the details with your details and the person that you're emailing. But instead of being paid, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get something in exchange. So they're gonna get a free video, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a video testimonial. If the brand doesn't want to do a video testimonial, this will not work. You need a video testimonial. If they don't want to do one, skip them, or you can do it if you want, but we need video testimonials. So copy and paste all those emails to all those brands. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get those products shipped out to you, you're gonna make the videos, and you're gonna send them back with a watermark on them. This is very, very important. Make a watermark. You don't even need a watermark, just put your name over the video so they can't use it, essentially. So they can see the video, but they can't use it. They can see, what it looks like, but they can't use it on their social medias or whatever. So what this is going to do is going to protect you for the time being, because we're still new to this. We don't really want to be messing around with contracts. We just want to get it nice and simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to send that off. They're going to like it, whatever. They might ask for some revisions, maybe do 1, 2, 3 revisions. But if they want any more revisions, you're going to charge for it. But what they're going to do, you're going to get them to answer these questions for the video testimonial. And the reason we want a video testimonial is because this is social proof. This is going to allow us to show other clients within the space that we know what we're doing, and their competitors have used us, they liked it. Do that, get all those video testimonials. The more you've got, the better. And then after about 5 video testimonials or 5 clients that have given you a video testimonial, you're going to start charging for your work. Charge about $50 to $200 depending on the video, as a nice simple way to get into the industry. And then boom, you've made your first $50, $100, $200 from your bedroom. As long as you've got work coming in, you're pitching to clients, you're sending out emails, and you've got work coming in, you've got money coming in, getting what you can. And 2026 is shaping up to be the best year possible as a content creator, because content is everything nowadays. So if you want to get into the Wi-Fi gold rush, make sure you follow these steps, and you go ahead and learn from this. So if you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. That's all I ask. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Subscribe and like the video and leave a comment. That really will help me out and the algorithm. And if you have any questions, do leave them down below, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. And if you want me to make any specific videos about UGC content creation, leave them down below, and I will make a video on it, or DM me on Instagram at jackfernley.mp4.